Okay, so well everyone, means that it's time for us to start our meeting today. So let's start our meeting today by saying good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
Miss.
afternoon. Okay, that's nice to see you in this afternoon. So how is it going today? Are you good? Happy?
Happy.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Yep.
Thank you for asking me.
Okay. And then, well, everyone, today it's about Thursday and tomorrow is going to Friday. So means that it almost close with our weekend. And yesterday we have very suddenly left the Zoom because I don't know what happened. Something trouble with my Zoom. Suddenly also, what is that? My Zooms is error. Jadi dia juga langsung
Hmm.
tiba-tiba keluar. Oke, and off suddenly. Dan mati tiba-tiba laptopnya. Mhm. But fortunately it still can be used. Masih bisa digunakan.
Hujan.
Okay, so well everyone, thank you so much for attending the class today. Yesterday you and your friends has already discussed and learned about the movie. Okay, did you have any recommended movie from your friends? Apakah teman-teman sudah dapat rekomendasi film dari temannya that you have discussed yesterday?
Yes.
Udah? No? You have no any recommended movie from your friends? Nggak dikasih rekomendasi film?
Enggak.
Nggak. Sis Inke, what
No.
about you? Do you get it? Dapat nggak Sis Inke? No. Okay. What about si Siva? Do you have any recommended movie for your friends?
Maybe like horror movie,
A horror movie. What is that?
like Conjuring.
Conjuring. Have you ever watched Conjuring?
No, because I'm afraid about
Oh
the.
my God. Watch Pimak first. Nonton Pimak aja dulu.
Ya, sepertinya harusnya begitu. Harusnya
Mm-mm.
rata nontonnya.
Okay, because Pimak also funny, so means that you will not feel afraid.
Senangnya tuh yang kayak horror komedi. Apa tuh? Vimax
Horror
ya?
comedy.
Hmm,
Mhm.
horror
Oke.
komedi.
Nah, itu Pimak horror comedy loh.
Hmm. Nanti deh dicoba. Indonesia or English pemainnya?
Kalau di Thailand, itu kan dari Thailand, tapi sudah ada diadopted oleh Indonesia. Nama
Hmm.
judul filmnya adalah Kang Mak kalau nggak salah. Kang Mak yang main Vino Gebastian.
Oh, okay. I will try it.
Mhm. Oke, you should. Biar coba-coba tuh nonton what is that? Horror, tapi masih ada komedinya sih, jadi nggak
Ya,
serem-serem banget.
jadi bisa ketawa-tawa dikit ya.
Mm-mm.
Ketawa banyak deh.
Okay, so well, everyone means that it's time for us to continue to talk about future dream. Nah, future dream, namanya future dream itu kan cita-cita di masa depan. Oke, karena kita sudah berada di masa depan dari 10 tahun yang lalu atau 20 tahun yang lalu. So, si Siva, what was your childhood dream job? Dulu si Siva cita-citanya pengen jadi apa?
I want to doctor, but
You want to
I'm not
be
a teacher.
Oh, okay. What kind of doctor do you want at that time?
I want to animal doctor.
Oh,
Doctor.
vet, you mean?
Yes,
Vet.
because I lovely
Hmm?
a cat.
Oh, okay, cat lovers?
Yes,
Mhm.
I have three
Why?
cats.
Why do you want to be a vet? Kenapa pengen jadi dokter hewan?
Because apa ya? Karena sulit. Karena kalau orang kan bisa ngomong.
Nah,
Kalau kalau binatang kan kita harus menebak terus senang senang sama kucing. Tapi kok
mm-mm.
kalau misalnya tiba-tiba harus memeriksa binatang kayak snake, dog,
Mm-mm.
and gitu guys, wah kayaknya horor juga.
Oke.
Betul.
Mhm. Oke. Why do you change your dream? Kenapa tiba-tiba ganti?
I don't know. Maybe like dengan waktunya berjalan apa tuh berarti Miss?
Gimana?
Waktu berjalan, dengan waktunya berjalan dengan
Time
sendirinya
flies.
tergantung. Nah, time flies. I don't know why I'm now a teacher.
How could it be? You don't know. But you
Hmm,
choose it. Tapi kan sisnya yang milih. You want to
hmm,
be a teacher. What kind
yes,
of teacher are you,
Hmm.
sis? May I know?
English teacher.
English teacher. Where do you teach?
SMA 38, 38.
38 of
38.
di mana?
Jakarta Selatan ya, Jagakarsa.
Jaksel.
Jaksel.
South Jakarta. Oke. Siapa tahu ada wali muridnya di sini, sis.
Maybe.
38. 38
Oke.
di Ben Hill ya.
Itu sis Purnaningsi.
Kenapa Bu?
38 di Ben Hill.
Ini di Jagakarsa, Jakarta Selatan itu. Lenteng LA,
Oh.
Lenteng Agung.
Oh iya.
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles
Iya.
ya.
Iya. LA. Di LA ya.
Khayal.
Iya.
Ya, mana di sini.
Iya, kan
So-
siapa tahu besok kita pergi ke Los Angeles.
Amin.
Sekarang kita lagi di
Amin.
LA. Okay. And then Siva, let me ask you about, in your opinion, what are good things about your dream? You want to be a vet. So in your opinion, what is the best thing to be a vet?
Mana ya? Apa ya?
Apa?
My
Bagusnya jadi
opinions about apa?
vet. Poin plusnya
Gemuk,
jadi seorang
kurus gitu.
veterinarian.
Apa ya?
You
Bingung.
can.
Confusing. Cannot
Okay.
answer about
What about this
I
one?
don't have opinion.
You don't have any opinion. What about, what is the good things about being a teacher in senior high school? What do you like?
I don't have a choice before I'm a teacher, high, kinder.
Hmm?
Apa sih berawal dari ngajar taman kanak-kanak ya.
Hmm?
And then
I teach
naik
in
tingkat
kindergarten.
apa berarti ya? Dari TK,
Kindergarten.
SD, SMP, and then the last teacher.
Okay.
TK, SD, SMP, the last nih di sekarang teach
Teach
high
in
junior high
senior
school.
high school. Which one do you like to teach?
Yes.
Lebih suka ngajar yang mana? Kindergarten, elementary, junior, senior?
Lebih it's the same because maybe masing-masing punya ini ya. Kalau kindergarten tuh funny, fun, and then happy,
Yeah.
lovely, kids, and in the high senior school ya, yang SMA itu lebih terarah ya, lebih simple, mengarahkannya cukup sekali bicara dia cepat paham, seperti itu.
Okay. Okay, thank you Siva for sharing about your dream, future dream, I mean. Okay.
Thank you so much.
And then what about you, Bro Johan? Can you tell me about what was your childhood dream job?
Sorry, what?
What was your childhood dream job? Dulu cita-citanya pas kecil pengen jadi apa?
Oh. Jadi apa ya, polisi kah?
Policeman.
Yes, policeman.
Okay.
Policeman.
Why do you want to be a policeman?
Because my father is police.
Okay. And then, do you still keep that dream? Apakah masih menjaga mimpinya sampai saat ini?
Nah, already changed.
What is your, what are you now?
I'm working, it's mining now.
Mining. Okay. So why do you change it to be a miner?
Yeah, because actually, basically, I'm a PE teacher,
Mm-mm.
PE teacher, physical education teacher,
Mm-mm.
and then I moved to mining.
Education teacher, and then you move to be minor.
Yeah,
But when you move it, it means that do you still in a college or you move it when you are in a working, sudah di dunia pekerjaan, working life?
sorry.
Do you change your, I mean, like, do you change your dream? It was when you are still in a university or after you
Yeah,
are in a
correct.
working life?
If I studying in university, and then
Mm-hmm.
I'm teacher, and then move to mining.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And how long have you been a miner?
Probably 7 years ago.
7 years ago. Okay. What do you like to be a miner?
Yeah, I think so. Just so I'm happy
Hmm.
because like my life
Hmm.
adventure.
Okay. So in 7 years, do you live in Timika
No.
before?
Oh yes, in mining 7 years. Yeah.
Mm-mm. Jadi selama 7 tahun juga tinggal di Timika?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. What do you like to be a miner?
Yeah. I don't know, but I like it because as
Hmm?
administration support for mining.
Okay. Nice. So what about your family? Does your family also live there?
Yeah, long distance friends.
Oh, long distance relationship.
Yeah,
Okay.
they in
Mm-hmm.
Jombang right now.
Yaps. It's okay. As long as transferannya ngalir terus ya. Jadi nggak apa-apa, bro.
Hanya lewat aja kan.
Lewat di bronya ya. Oke. Mengendap
But
di
do you know?
istrinya.
But do you know? My wife join with us right now.
Oh, where?
Halo, nih,
Oh, Sis Enda.
iya,
Okay. What do you feel, Sis Enda?
What do you feel?
lagi
Kamu rasakan maaf.
nano, apa itu?
Nano, nano.
No what.
Okay. So for 7 years, do you have a long distance married?
For 7 years. Yeah.
Nine,
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
1 years I take the 3
Mm-mm.
on vacation.
Okay. But for about the leave, bro, kalau cutinya itu how many days do you
Hmm.
take the leave? In a year or it is yearly, annually or monthly leave?
For 2 months, 2 weeks, and then I'm going
Okay.
vacation for the 3 weeks.
Jadi wait. Cutinya itu diambil 2 bulan sekali.
Ya 2 bulan 2 minggu.
2 bulan 2 minggu. In a year,
Ya
dalam
roster,
1 tahun.
roster ya.
Oke. Jadi 2 bulan 2 minggu tuh memang total at home ya, pulang ke rumah.
No, working here.
No, working there.
Ya.
10 week,
10 weeks.
Ya.
Oke, jadi kerjanya 10 minggu, terus berapa
3 weeks syuting
cutinya 3
on
bulan?
vacation. Ya.
Sorry, 3 weeks. Oke. Do you always go home in 3 weeks? Selalu pulang dalam 3 minggu itu?
Yes, of course.
Yes.
And then
Of
I'm
course.
going on vacation traveling also.
Mm-mm.
My family.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Okay,
Spend
nice.
my time with my family.
Okay, thank you, Bro Johan, for sharing about your
Yeah.
future dream. Oke, kalau tadi suaminya, sekarang istrinya. Sis Enda, what about you? What was your childhood dream job? Mhm.
I'm teacher,
Okay, what kind
but
of teacher, sis?
sociology,
Sociology in senior high school.
yes,
Wow, and how long have you been a teacher? Sudah berapa lama jadi guru?
mm, 2 years, but now I'm home with
Heeh.
My family. No, I'm
So
teacher
it means
in
that you were a teacher in di mana?
Bontang. Di Bontang.
Oh, di Bontang.
But
Yes.
before, I
Yes.
think
Before.
5 years ago.
Okay. And then you
Yes.
married
Now,
and then you go
yeah,
home.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm. How can you meet? Kok bisa ketemu?
yes, my wife, I meet with her on middle school.
Oh,
Yes.
temen
We are
SMP.
friends.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Oke, oke, oke. Gimana rasanya menikahi teman sendiri?
Teman sendiri.
Heeh. Gimana itu?
14
Karena kan
classes
kita
together.
tahu dia di sekolah gimana kan. Kita
Ya,
tahu dia dulu deket sama siapa aja,
oh
bagaimana
bukan tentang
tingkahnya,
itu.
dapat hukumannya. Nah, how was your feeling?
Not about that.
No, but that kita tahu kecilnya seperti
Oke.
apa gitu loh mukanya gitu.
Iya, kok
Before,
tiba-tiba
after.
menikah gitu loh. Heeh. Pasti kan kita ngerasa lucu juga ya hidup
Do
aku.
you know? But I think he said to me, I'm Mucil. Do you know Mucil?
What is that, Mucil?
Mucil like the usil.
Oh my God. Oke. Panggilan sayang itu, bro. You have to know.
Bukan bahasa apa itu? Bahasa apa itu ya? Mungkin bahasa orang Samarinda kan?
Iya, Kalimantan.
Oh, orang Samarinda. Oke. Tapi Sis Enda, do you still teaching up to now? Do you still teach up to now? Masih ngajar
No.
sampai sekarang?
Yes,
No.
still, mah.
Oke.
Iya.
No or
To
yes?
to my kid.
Iya, yes.
Oke. Haha. Gak apa-apa Sis Enda. Yang penting kan transferannya ngalir terus ya, Sis.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, so well everyone, because today we are going to talk about future dreams. Karena ada namanya future. Future itu artinya adalah masa depan. Jadi, we have know some of the tenses that can describe something happen in the future. It is called by simple future. Ada satu tenses yang bisa digunakan untuk ngomongin sesuatu yang mungkin terjadi di masa depan. Oke, nama tensesnya adalah simple future. Jadi setelah kita belajar simple present, sekarang ada simple future. Besok ada simple past. Oke, as I told you, simple future itu mendeskripsikan atau tenses yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan sesuatu yang mungkin terjadi di masa depan. Nah, ciri dari future itu ada will. We know that the meaning of will itu artinya kan akan. Nah, namanya akan kan belum terjadi, makanya dia identik dengan simple future. Oke, di mana will itu akan selalu diikuti oleh verb 1, kata kerja bentuk pertama. And will can be used for all the subject. Dan semua subjek juga bisa menggunakan auxiliary will. So, I will, you will, he will, she will, they will. Artinya adalah aku akan, kamu akan, kita akan. Karena future biasanya dia ada tambahan time signal yang terjadi di masa depan. Keterangan waktu yang terjadi di masa depan. For the example, tomorrow, 2 days later, or next month, next year, in 5 years, and others. Okay. Do you know how to say saya akan pergi ke saya akan pergi ke Surabaya malam ini? Berarti gimana?
I will go to Surabaya tonight.
Oke, I will go to Surabaya tonight. Tapi kalau mereka akan membuang sampah 2 hari lagi.
They
They
will
will wash.
Membuang apa?
Throw.
Membuang itu throw.
Throw.
Berarti
Yeah.
they will throw the
What?
the
The-
dis-
Throw the trash.
they will throw
The
the
trash.
trash. Okay.
Terus
Today.
apa lagi ya?
2 days, 2 hari yang akan datang atau 2 hari lagi. 2 days later.
Two days
rest
later.
Oke,
to
2 days
after today.
later. Atau in 2 days bisa. In 2 days bisa. Atau 2 days later juga bisa. 2 hari ke depan atau dalam 2 hari. Kalau dia perempuan akan makan ramen besok gimana?
She will eat ramen tomorrow.
Oke, she will eat ramen tomorrow. Nah, itu kalau akan. Bagaimana kalau tidak akan? Tidak akan, it means that will ditambah dengan not. Jadinya
Will
adalah
not.
won't.
Want.
Oh, won't.
She
Jadi singkatannya will not itu adalah won't.
want.
Pakai u ya, won't. Kalau won't
Won't.
nanti ingin.
Mau, iya ingin. Benar-benar.
Jadi kalau won't itu tidak akan. Nah,
Want.
jadi kalau aku tidak akan menjemputmu.
I won't take you.
I won't
I won't
take
take
you.
you.
I won't take you up.
Or take
Okay.
you up.
And then what about dia laki-laki tidak akan menangis?
He won't cry.
He won't cry.
He won't cry.
Cry.
We won't cry.
Okay. And then for the next, how would you like to say? Dia perempuan tidak akan ngapain nih? Tidak akan menelponku.
He won't call me.
Won't call?
Won't
Call me. Oke, jadi langsung saja ya teman-teman. And then for the next, if you want to get yes no question, kalau teman-teman mau mendapatkan pertanyaan yang hanya cukup jawaban ya atau tidak, maka will-nya dipindah ke depan sebelum si subjek. Oke, for the example, apakah kamu akan pergi? Berarti
Will you go?
Oke, will you go? Cukup situ aja. Akankah kamu akan pergi? Akankah kamu pergi? Nah, cukup will you
go?
will you go. Apakah dia perempuan akan menelponku malam ini?
Will she
Will she?
call me now?
Oke. Will she call me tonight? And then how would you like to say? Kalau sekarang kita tambahkan 5W1H, berarti kita nambahnya di depan sebelum will. Oke. Apa yang akan kamu lakukan malam ini?
What are you doing tonight?
Night.
Oke. What will you do
Night.
Okay, what will you do tonight? And then for the next, how would you like to say apa yang akan kamu makan?
What will you eat?
What will you eat?
What will you eat? Di mana kamu akan pergi atau kemana kamu akan pergi?
When
Where
will you
will you
Where
go?
will you go?
Okay, where will you go? Kalau bagaimana kamu akan pergi?
How will you go?
How will you go? Okay. Kalau wait, bagaimana kamu udah? Kenapa kamu akan pergi?
Why
Why you go?
Why you go atau why will?
Why you will?
Why will you go?
Why will you atau why will? Kan belibet juga.
Why will you?
Oke, kenapa kamu akan pergi? Berarti why will you
Where you go?
Why will you go?
Why will you
Okay,
go?
why will you go? Good job. Now let's try to answer the question. The movie will start soon. Let's find our seat and sit down. Blah blah blah. Your friend be at the party.
Will.
Will you?
Oke.
Will.
Jadi
Will.
jawabannya adalah will. Kenapa dia tambahan be? Be itu digunakan kalau nanti teman-teman bertemu dengan adjective, noun, adverb. Oke, kata sifat, kata keterangan, dan kata benda. Oke, jadi tambahin be. Contohnya, saya akan bahagia. Tidak cukup untuk mengucapkan I will happy, but I will be happy.
Happy.
Kayak di sini at the party. At the party itu kan kata keterangan. Will your friends be at the party? Jawabannya adalah yes, she
will.
She will. Okay. Hello, Mr. Smith. This is Peter. I blah 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 be at work today because I'm sick.
Yeah. I will be at.
Will
not.
Dan dulu
Sakit.
Will not.
Will not.
Will not tadi singkatannya apa?
Won't.
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 Okay. This bag looks heavy. Let me help. I blah 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 carry the big one for you.
Will.
I will.
Will. Oke, jadi fungsi dari simple future alias si will itu juga bisa digunakan untuk menawarkan bantuan. Nah, contoh di nomor 4 ini. This bag looks heavy. Let me help. I will carry the big one for you. Okay. And then my brother blah 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 speak to me because he is very angry karena dia sangat marah. So
Won't.
Won't. Okay, my brother won't speak to me because he's very angry. What time? Blah blah blah. The sun rise tomorrow morning.
Will.
Will.
Will. Okay.
The
What
sun
time will the
rise
sun rise
tomorrow
tomorrow
morning.
morning? Blah blah blah. You be 20 years old next month.
Will.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
no,
Will
I
not.
won't. No,
Yeah.
I won't. Flight CX793 blah 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 depart from gate 12 in 10 minutes.
Will.
Will. Okay.
Will.
Do you think people blah 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 live on the moon in your lifetime?
Will.
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 Maybe I blah 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 bake some cookies tomorrow. I'm not sure.
Will.
Will.
I will.
Will.
Okay. Are you ready to order, sir? Yes. Thank you. I blah blah blah
Okay.
have a hamburger.
Will.
I will.
Number 12. Eat blah 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 be midnight in a few minutes. It is to go to sleep. It is to go to bed.
What?
It
Yeah.
Will.
it won't atau it will?
It will.
Will. It
It
will.
will. Okay. Will ya.
Will.
Be midnight in a few minutes. Akan tengah malam beberapa menit lagi. Waktunya pergi tidur. And then when do you think we blah 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 have our next test?
Will.
No.
Will. Okay. Maybe it blah 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 rain tomorrow and maybe it
Will not.
It will.
Will
not.
uh, will
Will.
or will not. Oke, kalau tipe yang 14 ini simple future yang digunakan untuk memprediksi. Oke, memprediksi sesuatu yang mungkin terjadi di masa depan. Number 15, blah blah blah, you marry me, yes I.
Will.
Will.
Jadi
Yeah.
will you
Will you
marry me? Yes, I.
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
I will. Oke, buat siap-siap nih teman-teman kalau ditanya will you marry me? Jawabannya yes I will ya, bukan yes I do.
Nah, baru mau bilang yes, I do.
Yang benar yes I will karena kan yang depannya itu kan auxiliary will.
Di film ada yang I do.
Okay, and then let's back to talk about job atau occupations karena vocabnya ngomongin tentang
Miss
pekerjaan.
Vivi.
Ya,
Miss Vivi.
iya. Iya, bro.
Hilang dia nanya.
Ih, bro. Oke.
Error.
Iya, mungkin ini sinyalnya terputus atau bagaimana itu?
Sinyalnya kadang susah.
Sandalku saya, sis.
Sinyalnya hilang banget pasti itu. Dianya udah ngoceh-ngoceh tapi suara nggak keluar.
Iya, bisa jadi. Nah, sis Enda juga mungkin sudah terbiasa ya.
Iya.
Hafal.
Iya, suami saya juga pernah di Papua, tapi bukan di Timika, di Kaimana. Dia juga sering kehilangan sinyal, tiba-tiba.
Iya.
Okay. So, well everyone, here are a box of vocabularies. Ada beberapa vocab tentang pekerjaan. Number 1, athlete, yaitu atlet, ambassador, duta besar, arsitek, aktor or actress, pemain film cowok ataupun cewek, and then banker, perbankan, chef, koki, police, polisi, pilot, pilot, teacher, guru, lecturer, dosen, doctor, dokter, soldier, tentara, dancer, penari, designer, content creator, pembuat konten, editor, pengedit, entrepreneur, pengusaha, engineer, ahli mesin, sailorman, pelaut, jurnalis, lawyer, pengacara, manager, musician, musisi, artis yaitu seniman. Do you think which job has a big salary? Pekerjaan apa yang punya gaji yang tinggi?
Lawyers ya.
Lawyers.
Or pilot. Lawyers, pilots.
Doctor.
Dan
Manager.
Are you sure?
Entrepreneur.
Jadi apa dong? Sisenda, what in your opinion?
lawyer, pilot.
Minor.
All of both of them.
Okay, both of them. Okay, so well everyone, it means today we are going to talk about work karena kebanyakan dari kita kan juga sudah bekerja. Okay, it means that the discussion it will be fun. Okay, karena teman-teman juga sudah bekerja, sudah tahu dunia kerja itu seperti apa. Means that the question has correlation with working time. For the example, contoh di sini. Oke, which jobs do you have to wear a uniform? Coba sebutkan 3 pekerjaan yang harus pakai seragam. Which jobs pay well? Sebutkan 3 pekerjaan yang gajinya tinggi. Menurut teman-teman nanti apa? Silakan diadu. Terus name 3 outdoor jobs. Sebutkan 3 pekerjaan yang dilakukan di luar ruangan. Do you prefer working indoor or outdoors? Mau lebih suka kerja di dalam atau di luar ruangan? Would you prefer a job that pays well or a job you enjoy? Milih mana? Pekerjaan yang gajinya tinggi atau pekerjaan yang kamu nikmati? Nah, what kind of office work does a secretary do? Apa yang dilakukan sekretaris kalau di kantor itu? Do you think being a singer is a hard job? Apakah jadi penyanyi itu adalah pekerjaan yang sangat susah,
Berat.
Jika
berat? In which job do you need to work evening and weekends? Kira-kira pekerjaan apa yang harus bekerja di malam ataukah di akhir pekan? Okay, so means that here are the question that we may discuss yesterday about a job with our friends in a breakout room.
Miss
And
Vivi,
here, ya,
sorry yang tadi yang will tuh bisa pakai double L?
oh singkatannya Al,
Oke.
bisa disingkat.
Oke.
Okay,
Yeah.
here we go.